Hey friends, ETPC here. I'm still trying to fix this 0% processing thing that it's getting stuck on, and I thought I had a fix here. You can kind of do a little workaround, but I want to be able to do it just like it used to be. So this has been an ongoing thing for a couple days now. We're just stuck on 0% processing. It's very annoying, and I'm losing a lot of time here. So I went to Firefox and I uploaded 10 videos, and I was like, cool, grab 10 of them, I put them up here. First one, okay, this is kind of weird, I don't know. So it did every odd number. I did 10 videos, a pack of 10, and it did the first video, and then an error has occurred while sending data over the network. Boom, on the second one. Upload the third, same thing, error occurred on the fourth one. Uploaded the fifth, so everything was uploaded perfectly like this with all my things input, so that's nice. But it's skipping every one, so I went ahead and grabbed all the even number videos, and it did the same thing. It skipped the first one, add the second one, so I don't know what's going on, if it's on the YouTube server side or what, but this is kind of weird that this is happening like this. So so if you look at them, they're in there, and I can just hit publish like before and it'll work, and that's nice, but it's only doing every other video, which is just weird, and I'm sure that has something to do with the YouTube side. I don't know what's going on. So anyway, so this, you can still do the old workaround that I did in a previous video, how to do this. Go back to video manager once this is uploaded and do all that again. It was kind of annoying. So even though the Mozilla Firefox one skips every video, you could just go upload them again, and at least you don't have to go back to a different part. So once it skips the ones, you can just throw them back up there, and it'll eventually upload it. Like this one, I tried to do this initial, just a single video by itself. It said, it gave me that error message, check your server connection or whatever. So I just uploaded again, and it went through this time. So now I can just hit publish, and I'm good to go. So kind of a better workaround than the other one, where you had to wait for it to go to zero processing and then hit your go back to video manager and all that. So this is a little bit better, just going through Mozilla Firefox. So if I find another better one than this, I'll let you guys know. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Keep on tubing.